Hello everyone. Today is going to be a little bit different. We're still going to take a look at a clock, as you can see, but it's what happened to this clock that's going to make this video a bit different, because this clock was, unfortunately enough, hit by a car. And like, how does a clock get hit by a car? Well, this clock was hanging on the wall at the house of my client, and somebody drove their car through their wall. And this clock was on that wall, so like you can see at the start, we are missing glass. The ornaments are in shambles. But yeah, what has happened to the rest of the movement? That's my question here. So yeah, we're going to take a look at that. Going to reposition the camera a bit, and then we'll take a look at what went on with the movement. But first of all, like the ornaments are pretty broken. We got a bunch of pieces. I'm pretty sure that like I can glue it back together and like hide the seams pretty well. I don't think we're really missing any big pieces. The pendulum is fine too. No problem there. The ring mounted dial has come off, but that's not a problem either. So yeah, let's reposition the camera. So here we are. I got the movement out with the dial assembly. The dial is loosey-goosey, and as you see we are missing a piece here. I'm going to assume that's from the shock. The rest, yeah, we can mount that all back together. That's not really going to be a big problem. And then, surprisingly, kinda, at the back, there's not really much of damage. The entry bridge is loose, probably from the shock. So yeah, if I lift it up, then everything will release. There's probably no more power left. Only a bit, yeah. No, probably because the mainspring still. Yeah. Anyways, this needs to be regulated again and mounted back together. And I don't really see anything wrong with the rest of the movement. I'm pretty sure that if I put this watch hand arm, yeah, just works. Let's do that again. Yeah, the dial being bent like that doesn't really help. Just does it things. I've never seen actually a clock that has a patent number on there. I need to take a look at that patent number. It's going to be interesting. At the back we can see on the pendulum leader they have DGMS. DGMS doesn't really ring a bell, but I'm pretty sure this is a European made clock. Like it doesn't look like a US made one, but it doesn't really look like a Junghans one. It is one of those clocks with a partition disc for the striking mechanism. So yeah, back nothing wrong, clock works, so let's take a look at what's going on at the front. Okay, normally that stays on, but let's see. Oh, okay. It's all loosey-goosey. Okay. Oh, I think this is bent a little bit. So this gear from the hand mechanism is it's oh yeah, that's just a conical pin that fell out. But yeah, it is bent like this. I don't know if it needs to be like that. It's probably from the shock, but I don't think it really matters. For the rest, ratchet looks good. This one's a bit bent, but probably fine. And yeah, this gives you a good look at the partition disc. When this lever can fall inside the notch here, it stops. Then you have the strike for the half hour. It falls in the same notch, and then the next one, it stays on the edge and until it can fall again. And the distance in between those notches decides the amount it needs to strike. Really good system. The only one problem, no self-correction. If the client turns the hands too fast, you do desync the hands and the striking mechanism. But yeah, it's an older system. It's pretty reliable. Though I really don't like the amount of play that's on here. Like, you can mess things up with that. But yeah, we will see how that works. Normally, it doesn't really matter, because it's not like the user has access to it. But yeah, definitely something to look out for if the striking mechanism isn't working correctly during the repair. But yeah, that was it for this video. If I happen to be doing any serious repairs on this, you will see another video about this clock. But otherwise, that was it for this clock. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!